International Space Station astronauts will soon begin working on an experiment sent to them by a group of Sacramento students.
This is a huge quantum leap next step in our STEM zone programming.
We recently got the chance to learn more about how students from St. Francis High School received this unique opportunity.
So then the fluid is going in through there?
Inside the STEM zone at St. Francis High School.
There's cool stuff with fungi. Like, I was reading this article on NASA that they're going to try and make fungi architecture.
Through trial and error, iteration and adaptation.
Here's the camera itself. It's very small but very powerful.
With equal parts testing, observing, and problem solving.
We're using a microfluidic chip.
These students are reaching new heights in their STEM education experiences.
I would say that I got bitten by the science bug when I was in preschool.
I can't remember a time in my life where I didn't want to be a scientist.
Charlotte Huang and Megan Atkinson are part of an elite team of 12 at St. Francis, interviewed and chosen from a pool of over 100 applicants at their school alone to be part of what's called the International Space Station Program, or ISSP.
This is a unique program that only 9 schools out of 35,000 high schools in America are in. That's how special it is.
School administrators calling this a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for these young women.
They conceptualize, design, engineer, code, and send an experiment to the International Space Station for testing in microgravity.
In very basic terms, the students are figuring out a way to test yeast growth in space, comparing and contrasting that to how it grows in a controlled environment on Earth.
Like, everybody's just so excited and they're like energized by what we're doing. We're actually growing life in space in a way.
The students learning how their experiment has applications in the fields of biomedical engineering and longevity science.
It's just an amazing opportunity for us to be able to send something into space. There's actual scientists who will be able to use our information if this experiment is successful.
The team started working together in September. Final testing on the students' work and packaging for space travel will happen in February, and a launch in a SpaceX rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida is set for April.
There's no cooler way to learn engineering than starting with some kind of experiment that goes into space.
Project mentors encouraged by the young minds at work.
To watch a group of young people who are excited at the risks and opportunities that they have and taking on the challenge with full open heart and mind is really beautiful. I feel very hopeful for where we're going.
This opportunity laying inspirational groundwork, helping these students see themselves as tomorrow's STEM field leaders.
I really do love science itself, and I hope that I'm somehow part of that in the future.
And also of note, St. Francis is the only all-girls school chosen as part of this program. And once their experiment is performed by astronauts at the International Space Station, the students will work to publish their results by June. Exciting stuff.